Okay, now teach you how to maintain the print after every print. So every day after you print the job, first we must clean the cap station and the wiper. Power on the machine and we move the flatbed, the carriage out of home position. And then we use the clean tissue and go with some head clean solution. Must use head clean solution that deliver from focus. And we clean the wiper. 先刮片，刮片。来，露出来。这边。We clean the wiper to clean it as brand new, and then we clean the cap station for white ink and color ink. So if you need to print it the next day, tomorrow you still need to print, then we just need to place back home position, and then we close the software, and the machine will carry back to home position for keep weight for prevent the air going inside, and then we power off the general power, and then we go to the waste ink bottle, and we clean these two bottles to clean the white ink, waste ink, and the color waste ink. This way the ink cannot be used anymore, must flushing out. After clean, then we close the window. So tomorrow if you want to print, you also need to do the nozzle check. So this machine you must do the nozzle print and test the print every day. If you not print over 2 days, you need to flush out all the ink, waste the white ink and the color ink, and pour out the ink from the ink bottle for all the color. Pour out by injection, and flushing out the white ink and the color ink from the ink damper as before, and then flushing out, clean the print head, and better for put the head clean solution with all the tubers and dampers and print head. If you not use the machine for over 10 days, so you need to take out the print head and flush it out and wiper it, and with the seal paper to keep the weight, to prevent the air go to inside the print head to cause the print head clog. So this is the procedure for maintenance job. Also, you need to move everything from the table and close the front cover. To be sure there's no air inside to cause the print head clog. And also every day must check if the carriage is moving out or not. If the carriage lost like this, will cause the print head clog. So every day must check the print head is locked to the end side, to the end, and locked and not move. Fixed where to keep weight. And if you not print for 3 days, so after except you load you flushing the ink damper and print head, you still need to fill some head clean solution by injection to fill full of the cap station for white and color. Put the clean solution, and then you keep weight, lock the carriage. So this is the procedure for maintenance job. Okay, so this is all the explanation and the troubleshooting, also all the installation to teach you how to use the machine. Thank you. If you have any problem or questions, you can ask the focus support team to get the professional support Please do not operate the machine without understanding the machine. Thank you.